Hey there, welcome to another tech fix video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point. Imagine this. You're in a rush, try to shut down your computer. In the heat of the moment, you interrupt the process. Suddenly, you notice that your mouse cursor is moving sluggishly, and to top it off, it's gotten smaller. What in the world could be causing this hiccup? Well, it sounds like we get a classic problem on our hands. Now, let's talk about the solution. Slow mouse movement and a tiny cursor might not be the end of the world. In fact, it could simply be a case of DPI mismatch caused by that interrupted shutdown. So, what can you do to get your mouse back to its usual self? One way is to try changing the resolution to a different setting and then switching it back to native. Alternatively, you can play around with the DPI scaling attribute to see if that does the trick. Solution in mind, let's wrap things up with a quick summary. If you ever find yourself in a pickle with a sluggish mouse and a minuscule cursor after interrupting a shutdown, don't fret. Just tinker with the resolution settings or DPI scaling, and you'll likely have your mouse back in tip-top shape in no time. That's it for today's video, folks. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy clicking!